Hey, how you doing, young lady? How you guys doing today? It's a beautiful morning.
Super good.
Hey, how you doing, young lady?
How are you after all that driving?
It's a journey. I like journeys. So tell me about it. Tell me about it.
It's, in my view, the greatest deal that you can get with a Harley.
Mm-hmm.
I see smudges, babe, now that the morning sun's right on it. I think probably the coolest stuff are the electronics. The anti-tilt, it has all kinds of controls on it. If you activate them, and the way that you would activate them is by pushing this traction control.
Oh,
right
okay.
here.
Okay.
That will adjust slippage on the rear tire.
Oh, okay.
In case you get on it too much.
Oh, okay. So it won't burn rubber. It'll just like just get and go.
I think that you easily could. It's
okay.
more of wet roads.
Oh, wet roads. Okay, okay.
So, and I'm going to step away from the bike for just a second.
Yeah.
Because I want you to see. I don't want to forget.
Okay.
The tuner. And here's your owner's manual. And this is specifically for the Road King Police and the Glide Police.
Okay.
So that will go into detail about the electronics that the normal bikes don't come with. I like the fact it comes with the 114 instead of a 107.
Yeah.
We talked about the rear tire being a little smaller, so you have more sidewall.
Yeah, more cushion. Yeah.
More cushion. The bike came with the red and blue. It's against the law for them to sell the bike like that. So I spent the money and had the LEDs that matched, not just a traditional piece of crap incandescent lamp.
Okay.
I added these wind deflectors.
Do they actually function well for you?
Oh man, brother.
Okay.
You can open them up, or you can close them. In the wintertime, they're wonderful. And if it's crazy hot, they're nice because it helps keep the wind off.
Okay, okay.
And I don't know, bro. I just really like the way the black looks on the white.
Well, yeah, it's got a nice contrast to it.
Yes, it brings out the black piece down there. These are an add-on. These were I can't remember. I don't think it came with rear boards. I had to pay for the boards. We did buy the boards, right? Did not come with rear boards. So we put the boards. We put the chrome covers on it. Chrome license plate holder. It did come with the rear shift lever, although all the new ones don't.
Yeah, I see that new ones don't have it.
I put the highway pegs on it.
And you said you have lowers for it also?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Right here.
They're in the box there?
Yes.
Okay,
and
okay.
You're not going to hurt my feelings one bit if you want me to open it.
No, don't.
I would open it.
Well, let's open it then. Let's just make it official.
Backrest.
For my wife.
Cage.
Okay.
Babe, what am I forgetting? I'm forgetting something. I need to tell you this. It came with a whole slew of keys. Not the security, but keys, because it's a police bike. There's several. You know, one for the bike officer, one for the station, one for wherever. Okay. We think we've been here for 3 weeks, waiting to move into our next house. If I took you inside, we are literally
living out of boxes.
Out of boxes. We don't want to unpack because we're moving.
Yeah.
We think the keys are in because we've tore the house apart trying to find them. And then my lovely wife just told me this morning, I think that they're back there. We thought we had till around noonish, so unfortunately we weren't smart enough to dig them out yet.
Well, you could always send them to me in the mail.
In the very back, of course.
Just like to be honest and up front.
Okay, well, once you locate them, I appreciate if you send them to me. You know.
Yes,
Absolutely.
Okay,
but maybe we got some time to kill till the bank opens.
Oh, I got the money right now.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
I was just doing the bank for security purposes. If you felt you need to be at the bank to make a transaction, so I just say, hey, we can go meet at the bank, but I got all hundreds. So it's up. It's up to you.
Yeah, 'cause we will find the keys, I'm pretty sure, in that back
Okay.
toolbox in one of the top drawers, so we will get to
Are
it.
you're riding this home, aren't you?
No, put it on the back of my truck.
Oh, you are.
Yeah, I got my son with me, but he's no good as a passenger. I just need to verify everything, look at some paperwork, take a test ride around the block.
Yeah.
I'm ready to go back home. You know, we're gonna go to Los Angeles, and I've been calling a few of my friends and see if I can locate some extra parts for this, as in the regular hand controls and stuff like that. And so that's where I'm at with it. Okay. Yeah, that's the key thing right there. The covers over there, the two little screws that go to that. Yeah, we're good.
Now I'm going to show you the fun box.
What's the fun box?
Yeah.
This is the fun box.
Okay.
I don't know if you'll ever put them on, but if you don't, you can sell them and get some money.
Okay.
Baby, do we have, I know we do somewhere, do we have some tape I can take this back out?
So you guys have bought another house out here?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
We came from, you know where Wickenburg is?
No, I'm not familiar with Arizona
Well,
too
we
much.
It's up north about an hour, and we moved, we put the house on the market and it sold in an hour.
Whoa.
And the folks that purchased the home were like, "You got to get out." So
We want our house
lucky
now.
to find this,
Uh-huh.
and we're sitting tight here. All right. This is your tractor seat.
Oh, yeah, you
about
definitely-
$300
Okay,
right there.
okay, that's a big tractor seat.
And,
Okay.
and you're about my size. Tiptoes when you come to a stop.
Mm-hmm.
But this is the most comfortablest seat on the planet, brother.
Okay.
Oh
okay.
man, it's like, well, you got this nice deep seat for your back, but can't have mom on the back.
Yeah, because normally there would be a box or something on the back for the police stuff or something.
They weren't supposed to give me that.
Oh,
but
they
did.
let you get it. They let you get it. Okay.
Yeah. So that goes right over. Here's your mirrors. And you can see what I mean about how high those things stick up.
Oh yeah, those are.
And you can see they don't magnify. It's what you see is what
you get. Usually the other ones say these objects may appear to be closer.
Yes.
They would normally say that.
Yeah. Here's this in this box right here is the spring.
Oh, that goes underneath the seat?
It goes underneath the seat,
Okay,
which gives you even
more cushion. Yeah, that's going to give you definitely some cushion then. And then
This is your radio box. It's chrome. Chrome size. This goes behind the tractor seat for your radio.
Okay.
And all of this.
Police electronics that would have been on the bike.
Thanks. I have to ask you, not to be personal. You're a smart guy. What do you do?
I install car stereos, motorcycles, and Harleys.
Yeah,
this shirt came from here.
Oh.
You know, I've rode. I have a road glide also, and so I've ridden quite a few places. I've been to Phoenix easily. I ran the whole country back in June, all 48 states, all four corners.
Kidding.
Yeah, with a motorcycle club there out of LA called the Rare Breed. But we came through Phoenix and we kept on moving. You know, it was like done in 25 days.
Oh, that's awesome.
So we hit Yellowstone, Niagara Falls, like all four corners, top of Maine. That's Natatoches, the bottom of Florida, which is where the highway ends at the Highway 1 ends. Blythe, Washington, but we started at San Diego at the bottom, right at Tijuana, and ran across the whole bottom states. So yeah, I know a little bit about bikes a little bit.
Okay.
And so my other bike has a 103 and has a cam, and so I said, well, I want to upgrade to a little more powerful motor that I don't have to be always tacked out trying to keep up with everybody else. Even though I have a cam, I can hang out when they do jump to the high speeds of racing, but I was like, I need a little more oomph on there, and so I'll add a cam to this one, and then I'll be okay.
This thing's gonna scream with the cam.
Yeah. And they said that's all you need to add to it is that, you know.
The bike's on a trickle charger, and the battery's 100%.
Okay.
I checked the tires yesterday afternoon.
Well, here we are down here in AZ, picking up a new member of the family. Hey, let's get it on the truck, get it home. Like brand new, not a scratch on this bike. Like I said, not a scratch on the bike, and it comes with lowers that he gave me, like brand new. Well, as I was saying earlier, this started as a police bike. A police bike. Hold on, let me move this out the way. A police bike does not have a radio. Hence, here's the front part of the police bike. It just goes, your hand controls, your regular setup, hand control, throttle position, and all that stuff. As you see the front section, these wires, this is all you have, which is this and this. Now, on an ultra classic or regular hard bike, you got these plugs here, to ground, but bam, here we go. The radio plug. So this has a whole different harness in the front of it, which you need to have to make a regular bike work. So you have to purchase a whole other harness that says FLHX on it, as opposed to this one right here, which says ECC FLHP. P probably stands for police. So today's mission is, since we have a little bit of downtime, which is replace the wire harness. This is not glamorous. This is not for everybody. Trust me, if it was, everybody would be doing it. So let's just get into it and get involved and get it over with. Let's go. So this is what it looks like when you strip it down to nothing. The wire harness runs all the way around to there, to the front of the bike. Now, we have to take the whole back suspension off to gain access to everything, undo the grounds and stuff. Now, it's time to put it back. Will he do it? Well, we about to see. Yeah, we about to see. Okay, so there you have it. I gotta put the plug this into the key switch. All the wiring here for the radio and stuff to go in. What else we got going here? Yeah, we laid everything down on the whole get down. Gonna drop the battery back in. And we had to take the whole rear suspension off to make it easier for the wires to go in. And it's good when you have something sitting here that you can work with, because you can copy it and put it right back. So that's always a plus. And so, yeah, stay tuned. We're keeping it pushing. More extra stuff online. Bag lids, A1 condition, front FLHT fender. You got the seat too, the Solo CVO style seat, which I am not going to use for anything. Got a rear fender with the new Harley-Davidson tail light up in there. So yeah. And I got the matching front blinkers in HD style to go with this too. So yeah. Some extra parts, they gotta go. I have no use for them, so they're on the chopping block. Local pickup desirable. Holla if you need these items. Gotta go. Recently acquired stuff came with some stuff I bought. It's a police package stuff. The stock 114 air cleaner, the mirrors that come on the police bike, A1 condition, and the seat, which I was told was a very comfortable seat with all the mounting hardware, like lightly used. And this is the shock that goes with it underneath the seat, I was told. Well, yeah, I see it now. It makes sense now. Luggage rack that goes on the back. I'm not going to use this for anything. The back passenger backrest. I'm not going to use it.